Beautiful flower. Ayan guys, ang dami ng bulak. Ang ingay, Diyos ko Lord. Oo na. Sakit. Tingnan nyo guys, ang cute-cute nila guys. At ang daming ano. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. Ayan siya guys, oh, ang haba ng flower. Tingnan niyo siya pag ano. Ay, ganito pala. Charan! Charan! Very cute siya guys. Wow. Oh, I love this. Super cute. Parang orange siya guys, hindi pink. So, this is the flower, my mom flower. Here in the mountain. I don't know what the name of this flower. Ayan, this is leaves green. Ingay guys kasi ang daming mga kids, kapitbahay. And yeah. You know, this is the cute goat. And this is the cute.